next Sunday. 3 girls, 3 coins, and a fountain.
Keep me in Rome at least a year, Mr. Fountain.
No, you have to turn around, throw it over your shoulder.
Oh.
But it could take more than a wish to help the new mistress of Mandalay.
I didn't expect the whole staff to be in attendance. Understand his orders, sir.
Laurence Olivier and Joan Fontaine star in the classic Hitchcock thriller.
This is Mrs. Danville.
How do you do? How do you do?
And bitterness and hostility run high in From Here to Eternity.
I told Holmes, and I'm telling you, I ain't fighting. I quit fighting.
Film classics this Christmas on 4.
There's nothing Christmassy about our next offering on 4. It's tennis with the Nabisco Masters doubles finals from the Royal Albert Hall.